I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a coupon code. It is fav45575. You can put this on the search bar on the app or the website. And if you're a new user, I'll give you some coupons. I'll also take you to my little storefront there. So let's jump on in and see what I got this time. So I am very much on the Halloween search all over Temu. So these are exactly the same actually. These were $4.92 and it was 36 sheets in each pack. So I got 2 of these so I can make a couple of different little projects. I want to show you guys the different papers that are in here. So you get... Oh, I think there was multiple. I had put one of these together. Let me see. It must be this one that I had opened up. So I had sorted out the papers in the pack. Oh, yes. It was this one. So there's 3 in here. And this one's exactly the same. There's 3, but I went through the pack and I put them together. So there's the next 3. There's that pattern. This one. This one. That one. Love the little spider one. Got another haunted house. And another little haunted house with the little pumpkins. These are going to be really great to cut up to use for embellishments. That's what I'm going to do. Some paper crafting. I love this one. Any of the spider ones. So, love those. I think they're going to be really great and really fun to work with. So, I want to start making some sequence mixes for the little Halloween project that I want to do. So, I got a bunch of that this time. This is kind of cool. It sounds like little rocks. So, they're little glass, rock little pieces. So, there is some rose gold, copper, some black, and some purple. Be really nice for some shakers. Oh, this was $1.71. This little pack was really cool because it came with bats and purple. So here are my bats. I will be buying another pack of these. I think these are so pretty. I love the shine on them and their tiny little bats. And then it came with that purple, so I think these will all mix very well together. That was $1.72. This one was 30 grams for $2.61, in case you want to know what 30 grams look like. And these actually glow in the dark, so they are little moons. And those glow in the dark. So when I was looking for bats, I was trying to find it in the clay slices. And the only way I could find the little clay bats, like that one right there, was in this mix with the pink. So I'm going to be pulling the pink out of here and then using the rest of the mix and then mixing it up with some of these. So this was $2.77. And, oh, I don't know how many grams this one doesn't say. So there's that. And then when I saw these, I liked the little ghosties in there. So then I bought another set of ghosties. But these ghosts are actually smaller than the ones that came in here. So I don't know if you can see that the ones over here are smaller. And this was 20 grams for $1.79. So here is the 20 grams versus the 30. Just to give you guys kind of a size reference there. So I'm going to be mixing all of these up together to make a sequence mix. And then I did get pumpkins. So for $2.09, I got 20 grams. And this one has different pumpkins. So there's this one that is just the shape of the pumpkin. This one is a little bit a medium size. And then there are actually 2 different sizes of the round. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this size is actually smaller than this one right there. So I thought that was really nice little mix. Then I got this mix right here that is 50 grams for $2.72. And in this one, it just had a whole different mix. So it has those large jack-o'-lanterns in there. some moons, some stars, and then there are also like little black, here you go, you can kind of see like little black sprinkles in there as well. So this just had like a different mix. So I figure if I put this all together with some extra like round sequins for my stash, it'll make a really, really pretty little sequence mix there. So I'm really excited to play with that. Like I said, I will definitely be buying this one again. I loved these bats. I think these were so awesome. I love that. And this glow in the dark too. I love those. This kit was actually a bracelet kit, and it was $9.53. And I was looking for candy corn beads, and in me looking for candy corn beads, this is what came up. So I thought, let me go ahead and buy that, because just the beads were only in a local shop. I couldn't find them through like the Temu website. And when you are doing the Temu local, you have to spend a certain amount on that specific shop to get free shipping, or you have to pay $2.99 for shipping. So I was like, let me go ahead and buy this kit first. Let me see if I like it before I go paying for shipping to buy local. I love that it came in its own little case. Where did I open this? Oh, here. Okay, I just wanted to zoom you guys out a little bit more. So I was looking actually for these candy corn right here in beads. So like I said, in the local shop, they do have it where it's actually a bead. In this kit, it comes with the eye screw already. So these are charms. And then you get, this looks very like realistic candy corn to me. So there's that one. And then there are these like tiny little candy corns. Like how cute are those? Those are so, so tiny. Like, look, those could be like nail charm size. So adorable. So let's see, we got 4 of these like nice thick plastic ones. Then these are so cute. They look like so realistic, but these are pretty large. That's got to be like, what, 1.25 inches, I think, for those. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. And then these itty bitty little babies, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those as well. Then it comes with the cord in case you do want to make it into a bracelet. Oh wait, did I count this one? So what is that? 5 of those. And then you get all these other little pony beads. So I'm going to see if maybe there's like a pattern where I can actually build like a candy corn out of these. I think would be really pretty. If not, I can just go ahead and figure it out. And then if I do figure it out, I can share with you guys how I put it together. Because how cute would it be to actually like build a little pony bead one? I think that'd be really cute. Or you could go ahead and use it what it's meant for, as a bracelet. You can always do that. Oh, and these do have a large hole, so they will fit on a beadable pin in case you're interested with that. So, you know, for like 10 bucks, I feel like it's really good. Like, I especially love these. Oh, these would make some really cute earrings. Ooh, I might do that. I think that'd be really cute to do some little dangly candy corn earrings. We actually like candy corn in this house. We do eat it, so I am all about the candy corn. And we like black licorice too. I know like we're like some of the weird ones. Most people don't like black licorice or candy corn, but we do. Got a couple more items here. So these were 10 pieces for $2.53. And I thought these were really cute little pumpkins. So I couldn't find any iridescent just orange. I only found them in this pastel color mix, which is fine because I know somebody is hosting a Halloween pastel swap. So I thought, okay, well, you know what? I wanted like these to kind of go with this and for me, so I could use these other colors for other, you know, swaps that are going to be happening. So that's why I also got that like pastel paper bag here, was to kind of go for that. Oh, you know what? I said I was going to take the pink out of here because I don't like pink, but I could actually use that pink for this swap as well. That's a good idea. And then there is another Halloween neon swap that is happening. And that one I think is by Bay Area Crafts. I think she's the one that's hosting the neon one. And I got a couple items for that as well. So I got some beads here. This is 50 pieces for $2.84. And these are a silicone bead. But I liked these because they do have glitter. I don't know if you can tell on camera. There is glitter in those. And then they're kind of weird. They're like round but flat. So I thought those were like a nice little unique kind of situation there. And then these do have the large holes, so it will fit on your beadable pin and your Pokie tool. And then you get a whole different mix of colors here, so I thought that would be fun. And then I did get some round ones as well. This was 60 pieces for $2.84. Wow, so you actually get 10 more pieces in this one, even though it's the same price. Oh, look, here I think you could really see the glitter. Yeah, you could definitely see the glitter better than on those. So they match perfectly. So I could go ahead and make some beadable pins, some chunky charms, you know, Pokie tools, whatever else. I feel like I have more than enough neon beads for that. So I got those. And then to also go with the whole like neon beads, I did get some neon skulls that I can also use. And they had 2 different sizes, which was really nice. So let's see. 100 pieces for $2.78. And these are 9.5 by 12.5. So these are my larger ones. Let me take one out. So you see these are like very neon looking skulls. And I like that the hole goes straight down the middle, so I can actually like stack these. You know what? I wonder if these fit on Pokie tools. Let's find out. So here I have a Pokie tool. Nice. It fits on there. Oh, I kind of like it with the little rhinestone spacer down there. So it fits on my Pokie tool. Let me try my beadable pin. Oh, I didn't think it would actually fit. It does. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, super, super stoked about that. I did not think I would be able to find any neon beads for that. So that works out perfect. Now let's see the smaller ones. This is 7.5 by 9.5. You get 100 pieces for $1.90. So yeah, a little bit cheaper than the larger ones. Let's open these up and see if we could get it on a Pokie tool or a beadable pin. So again, there's those nice neon colors. Let's see. Pokie, yes. Okay, love that. I don't think it's going to fit on my pin though. Let's try. No. It does not fit on my pin. So depending on what you want to do with these, just pick the size accordingly. So I'm very happy that I got both. I almost didn't. I was like, do I really need, you know, both sizes? But I am very, very happy that I did decide to go ahead and get both of those. So that's our little haul for today. Like I said, I do have a coupon code with them, which is right here. I'll leave it linked down below in the description box. I will also link all of these products for you guys. You guys could just click on the link in the description box and it'll take you right over to the product. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.